You can easily add a solid or dotted border to an entire page or selected content. This video will show you how to create a border around text, images, or pages in Microsoft Word. Adding a page border. In an open project in Microsoft Word, in the top toolbar between Draw and Layout, click Design, then click Page Borders. You can find this at the left side of the Design section next to Page Color. A new window will open. Select a border setting. In the leftmost column, click the border option that you want to use. Select from None, Box, Shadow, 3D, and Custom. If you want a simple border to go all the way around your page, select Box. To add a border with font images, click the Art drop-down menu and select from Word's Art Gallery. This border can be used for theme flyers for holidays and events. Select a border style. In the Style column, scroll down until you find the border style you want to use. Then click Style. If needed, you can also change the border's color and width from the Color and Width drop-down menus respectively. Select Pages to use. If you created a new section earlier in this method, click the Apply to drop-down box. Then click the section to which you want to apply the border in the resulting drop-down menu. Adding a text border. Click Home. Click and drag your mouse across the text or image around which you want to place a border. Click drop-down arrow next to the Borders button. A drop-down menu will open. Click Borders and Shading. Select a border setting. Select a border style. In the Style column, scroll down until you find the border style you want to use. Select from the various solid and dotted line styles. If needed, you can also change the border's color and width from the Color and Width drop-down menus. Click the Apply to drop-down box, then click the section to which you want to apply the border. Click OK. This will apply the border to your document's specified page. Be sure to save your document when you're finished.
If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.